Hi, this is Paul from 360 Dragonfly, and this is a quick demonstration on how to use the new feature on our construction progress reports, which is the 3D modelling combined with 360 panoramas. When you've opened the application, you can simply use your mouse to move around the 3D model. By holding down the left button on the mouse, you can move around in 360 degrees. And by holding the right mouse button and moving around, you can move backwards and forwards and up and down around the 3D model. If you hold the shift button down while using the mouse and holding down either the left or right hand mouse key, then you can actually pan up and down and get an aerial view of the model. To access the 360 panoramas, simply click on the black icons or the black arrows. You can then pan around all of the 360 panoramas that we've taken, and you can also use the scroll button on your mouse to zoom in and out. When you want to go back to the 3D model view, simply click on the icon at the top of the screen and it will take you back to the last view on the 3D model. Click the left hand 3D flyover button on the bottom left hand side of the screen and it will take you through a 3D pre-programmed flyover of the construction site. Clicking the 3D site plan button on the bottom left hand side of the screen will take you back to the first view of the 3D model.